When you declare who you are, someone will declare who they don't want you to be. When you declare where we're going, there will be someone who says, and we're not going there. Have you ever seen that before? And she, after she was kicked out of GM, because she was told that team-based, getting ideas from the people that are closest to the product, the floor, if you want the greatest product, you've got to ask your people, what do they think? You've got to involve them in the ideas. You've got to be transparent. You've got to show them value. You've got to show them how much you appreciate them. And you partner with them instead of top down. Make sense? GM said, that won't work. The only folks who can make decisions like that here at General Motors are the car guys up on the 7th floor. And this will never work. They're not smart enough. So you need to go, Rosetta. And she ended up going to this little fledgling company called Toyota before anybody knew who Toyota was. And there she spent 26 years with a gentleman by the name of Dr. Edwards Deming, who is known as the father of re-engineering in manufacturing. And then it spread to, that same process spread to healthcare, and then education. And it's all over. Well, my friend Rosetta was the one who started all of that. And she saw at Toyota that the difference was when GM started feeling pressure, they let go of the rubber band. When Toyota was feeling the pressure about 2 years in, they held on to the rubber band. Oh, by the way, is GM the same GM that was 25 years ago? No, the government had to bail them out, didn't they? And they were forced to reconstitute their entire company. Because years earlier, they let go of the rubber band. Toyota decided, I'm not letting go of the rubber band. When things are tough, when things are trying, when we're in new territory that we've never been, and we're scared, and we're uncomfortable, we're not letting go of the rubber band. You with me? So, she taught me this principle of the battle of the sacred cows. Let me teach it to you. I think there's actually a screen that I developed, Mr. Technology himself. I did that. I'm really pleased about that because I barely know how to draw a stick man. So let me walk it through with you. Whenever you're an organization that has reached a plateau, and do organizations grow to plateaus? If you're a company that has reached a plateau, if you're a company that has gone from 1 employee to 30 employees, what got you to 30 is not what's going to get you to 50. If you're a company that's gone from 1 million to 10 million, what's going to get you to 15 million is not the same thinking and behavior and mindset that got you to 10 million. Make sense? You have to evolve and you have to change as the organization requires change. And typically, whenever you're reaching a plateau, you have to face a major organizational problem of some kind.